everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very cute love scrapbook, or you can also say it love album. It is very easy to make. So all the cards which I have shown in last video I have attached in this album. So today I am going to show you how to add the pages to the album and how to bind the pages. And also I will show you how to do the quilling decoration in the front of the album. So let's start with procedure. For this we need some pink color and white color 3mm strips, some half cut pearls, quilling tool, any designer punch border, liquid glue, mount board, pink color cardstock, black color and red color cardstock, and one red color corrugated sheet. First I am taking this mount board which measures 18 cm by 16 cm, and I am taking one black color cardstock little bigger than this mount board, and first I will attach this mount board with black color cardstock. So just add glue and connect like this. Now fold all the sides. Now I am cutting all the corners. And after that I am adding glue and folding the edges like this. So it will look like this after adding all four sides. Now I am adding pink color paper on the top of this, which is having same measurement, that is 18 cm by 16 cm. Connect like this. Similarly I have created one more mount board with the same procedure for the back side of the album. Now I am taking total 11 pink color cardstock cuttings which measures 16 cm by 15 cm, and I have folded this cardstock from one corner on 1.5 cm. Similarly I did with all flaps. Now I will construct the album. So take front mount board and take one panel, add glue and connect like this. Similarly I will add another panel. So just add glue on the folded side and connect like this. So in the same way I will do the same procedure with all other panels. So I have added all 11 panels with the album. Now for the last page of the album, to add this I am taking this paper strip which measures 15 cm by 3 cm, and I am folding this strip in half. Now add glue to the strip and connect with these panels. Again add glue and connect the last base page, base mount board of the album. So the basic album is ready. Very easy, isn't it? Now I am adding my first card with the first page of the album. So just add glue and connect like this. Turn another page, and now I am adding the second card. For the left side of the each page I am not adding anything. You can add photos or any sentiment or letter or any your thoughts on the left side of each page. Now to add this tiny card, I am adding this black color base paper first, and I have used the zigzag scissor to cut this paper. So just add this tiny card on this, and now I am adding the last card on the last page like this. So the album is ready. Now I will show you how to bind this middle part. Before that, I am adding the pattern paper in the front side. Here I am using polka dot pattern paper. And now I am taking this red color corrugated sheet which measures 16 cm by 12 cm. Just add glue on both the sides of the corrugated sheet and connect with the album like this. Now I will show you how to decorate this album. So here I am taking one light pink color 10 mm strip and folding this in half and making some small fringes using my scissor. So do this process with the whole strip. So it's done. Now just take your quilling tool and start rolling this fringe strip to make a coil. In the similar way, I have added 3 fringe strips with each other to make a big tight coil like this. And I have added little glue on the back side of this fringe. Now just open all fringes using your finger. Here I am making the face of teddy bear like this. Now I am taking 3 strips of light pink 2 mm strip and making one tight coil to make a mouth of teddy bear. My one strip length is 45 cm. Now take a quilling mold and make a little dome shape. Add glue inside this and connect the mouth with the teddy's face like this. Now I am taking 1/6 strip of black color of 2 mm and making one tight coil for the eye. Similarly, I will make one more eye. Connect the eyes with the face. Now, for the nose of Teddy, I am using 1/3 strip of 2 mm black strip and making one tight coil. Connect the nose in the center of the face. Before that, I am adding some tiny strips to make a nose line and lips of the teddy like this. Now connect the nose. Now I am taking 1/2 strip of dark pink and 1/2 strip of light pink and making one tight coil. Here I am making the ears. Secure the end, so tight coil is ready. Now for the back support of this ear, I am adding one pink color tight coil to this. Similarly, I have created one more ear. Now I will connect both the ears like this. So Teddy's face is ready. In the same way, I have added 2 fringe strips with each other to make a hand of teddy bear, and I have just pinched it little bit to make a oval shape. Now open all the fringes using your fingers, and to add the center part little more fluffy, I have created this small fringe flower using half strip of 5 mm, and I am adding this fringe flower on the center of this palm, so the hand will look more fluffy. Similarly, I have created one more face of teddy and one more hand. Now I will show you how to make this heart petal shaped flower. For this, I am taking half strip of red color and making one loose coil. Secure the end and make a teardrop shape. Similarly, I have created one more teardrop. Now I am connecting both the teardrops with each other to construct the heart shape. Now I will wrap this heart shape using white color strip. Cut excess strip and secure the end. So the petal is ready. Similarly, I have created 4 more petals. Now I am assembling the flower by adding all the petals with each other. And added one half cut pearl in the center. To make flower 3D, just push the flower on your palm. Now I am decorating the front panel of the album, so I am adding this red color heart in the center of this front panel. Now I will add some half cut pearls around this heart shape. So after adding all the half cut pearls, it will look like this. Here I have added one black color bow tie for the boy teddy and one hairband silver bow clip on the girl teddy. Now I am adding both the teddy bears inside this heart. Now add their hands. They are so cute. Now I am adding these heart shaped flowers. Like this. Now here I have created some scrolls using pink, red and white strip. If you want to learn these scrolls, I have given link in description box. You can check there. So I am adding total 4 scrolls around this. Here I am adding just for you sentiment on the left side of the heart, like this. And also I am adding one decorative punched border using pink cardstock on the top of the album, like this. Similarly, I have added decorative border inside the album after each page. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.